Hi guys, this is Chevrolet Captiva 2012. I'm going to do all case lost using Autel KM100. Let's see how to do this.
Is what for 050 only 100? Color, mixed color, 100 bill 050. Yes. 226.
Go to Chevrolet. Manual selection. Got middle list. We can go to the middle list. No. There you go. Asia Captiva 2006-12. Okay. What function? On case lost. Can go to 8K better. Yeah. If no need the 2K. Let's see. Switch ignition on. There's 2 keys are required, so 8K or lost key 7, but I'm doing the lost key. It's okay. I'm waiting for 12 minutes. Let's see, then I'll come back again. So switch ignition off, then on, and then off with all key 1 to program. And press OK. there is line to case program completed. Now start the programming remote. Yes, because I need to program this remote. Please switch ignition on. Okay. Lock button. That's it. Just program the one remote. So program is success. You can try to check the remote now. Okay, it's working. So this is the Chevrolet Captiva 2012. Car is started. Okay, so this 2012 we do the all keys lost using Autel KM100. Thank you guys, thank you for watching my videos always.